So finally, no, na-announce back in game number 2 ng Philippine Cup Finals, a once-in-a-lifetime event para sa atin. Dahil 40 years ago, huling hinost ng Pilipinas yung FIBA Asia Championships. Sa'yo, a twice-in-a-lifetime event, Chard.
Ang alin?
Napanood mo dati yun, di ba?
No. Ikaw na nagko-cover nun, di ba? Diba?
Pero ito, no, FIBA Asia Championships dito nagagawin sa Manila. How big a deal is this para sa basketball sa atin?
Matagal na nating gustong gawin to, no? Finally, sa atin rin pala babaksak. Kasi,
Kakagulo dun eh.
ang daming bumagsak na bomba sa Lebanon. Di ba? Kaya sa atin napunta.
Ngayon lang tayo naging mamasaya na may gere.
Saan naman tayo pupunta doon? No? So, I mean, it's a big thing. I think everybody should really join hands in making this a successful event. And, di ba? Kapit bisig. Tapos, yun. I hope that it will really reignite yung unity sa basketball sa atin.
Will this be the key para mag-unite ang basketball dito sa Pilipinas?
Siguro pag hindi pa nag-unite ang basketball dito,
wala na.
mahirap na. Dahil isipin mo, pagkakataon mo na, and even players, I think players would even ask their mother teams kung sila ni-request, magpapaalam ng maayos yan. Because it's one thing to play for flag and country. It's another thing to play for flag and country at home. Hindi mo na, iba yung pakiramdam niyan dahil, ano yun eh, wala kang maling ginagawa. Pag naglaro ka dyan.
16 teams, tatlo kukunin to qualify for the World Championships in Spain next year. Chuck, what do you expect that will go down August 1 to 11 tong event na to?
Well, for me, I think that una sa lahat, drop everything in terms of basketball aside from the FIBA in the Philippines. So if it's UAP or NCAA, kailangan din nila mag-giveaway because, as you said, the last time this happened was 40 years. And next is, I really hope that sa Mall of Asia, as in wala na talagang seats. Kasi kailangan...
Tsaka sana may sale.
Oo, tama, para diretso na sila. Kasi the one thing talaga that FIBA, that Gilas in the past years lacked was yung talagang home court advantage. And that's something that we need to bring talaga in full force when we host the tournament in August.
We've had yung FIBA Asia Champions Cup and some other pocket tournaments dito.
Yeah.
Pero this is the grandest stage now, Carlo.
It's the real thing. I mean, the last time we tried to get into the World Championships, it was tough and lalo na yung naglalaro ka sa ibang bansa. But now, the odds are being stacked to our favor actually. It's not a sure thing that we will make those first 3 spots kasi ang dami pa rin talagang malakas sa Asia. But then, if we have a chance, I think this is it.
Yung Korea ba maglalaro pa rin?
I think so.
Ito lang yung, kumbaga, pag naglaro ka at home, parang may +5 ka na. In every game. So, nasa sa'yo na lang yung kung gagawin mo doon sa...
Tingin ko ang ganda rin na Samoa Arena gagawin to because the one thing that's lacking dun sa brand new world-class venue na yun, yung history. Pagka pumasok ka sa Big Dome, pumapasok ka pa lang, alam mo na lahat nung nangyari doon or you have that certain you feel the electricity in the air. Yung Mo Arena, yun yung nagkukulang ngayon. Eto na ba yung inaantay ng building na yan?
Oh, yun na yan. Sinagot ko naman tanong mo, di ba? Yan na.
Ikaw, anong top 3 finish? Kaya?
Kaya.
Basta ako nag-file na ako ng leave.
Bait mo.
Nag-file na ako ng
Nag-file ka
leave
na.
sa August. Basta ano na yan.
August 1 to 11.
Kung kailan alam ko yung game dates, file na yan, leave na yan.
Malaking pag-asa nating tayo mag-cover niyan. Diba? So, Yahoo! Andito. Ilan? 11 days. Araw-araw. Diba?
Ayos.